by me, Naomi Royani, and my friends.
My name is Muhammad Suf.
And I'm Nur Adita. Let's start.
Did you know about food security? Food security is the condition of food fulfillment for all people and countries, both physically and economically. The food that needed is safe, nutritious, diverse, affordable, and doesn't contradict the religion, belief, and culture of the community. But now with the world population growing, ensuring everyone has access to sufficient, safe, and nutritious food becomes a formidable challenge. It's a potential precursor to malnutrition and instability. Without food security, we risk a future of uncertainty. What is causes food insecurity? Number one is high poverty rates and inadequate education, hinder access to food and nutritional knowledge. Number two is human population growth. A growing human population will put pressure on available food sources. Number three is climate change and natural disaster. This environmental factor disrupt agricultural production, leading to reduced food availability. Number four is food waste. A significant amount of food is wasted during production and distribution, which increases prices and limit access for low-income families. Number five is social conflicts. Political instability and conflicts can disrupt food supply chains, further contributing to food insecurity.
Meanwhile, the current situation regarding food security, global food security faces serious challenges due to the growing population and climate change, which threaten agricultural productivity. Shifting weather patterns, drought, and natural disasters worsen the situation, while many developing countries, including Indonesia, remain dependent on food imports, making them vulnerable to price fluctuation and supply disruption. Then, some solutions to address food security issues include education and reducing food waste. Reducing food waste helps ensure that the available food is sufficient for everyone. Some steps include: first, consumer education. Teach people to buy and consume food wisely to avoid over-purchasing. Second, waste management. Process food waste into a compost or energy to minimize trash. And the last one, improving infrastructure like exchange distribution system to prevent crops from spoiling before reaching consumer. We can also engage in international cooperation, such as strengthening collaboration between countries to maintain the stability of global food trade, share technology, and address climate change collectively. This can be one way to overcome the issue of food security.
At the beginning of 2020, the world was shocked by the emergence of the COVID-19 outbreak. Since it was designated as a pandemic by the World Health Organization on March 11, 2020, the COVID-19 pandemic has not only become a threat of national security but also to human safety, especially when humans have difficulty in meeting their basic daily needs such as food, and food security is one of the aspects of human security that is also threatened by the COVID-19 pandemic. This started from the emergence of Food and Agriculture Organization appeal regarding to the potential for a food crisis during the pandemic. By using the concept of human security and food security in international relations, this research aims to answer the research question: what is the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic of Indonesians' food security? Research results show that the COVID-19 pandemic has had a negative impact on Indonesia's food security, which is characterized by the decrease in the food Resilience Index or IKP in 2020 compared to the previous year. If reviewed based on a dimension of food security, The decline also occurred in 3 of the 4 dimensions, namely accessibility, utilization, and stability. While the availability dimension still shows positive results during the pandemic in Indonesia. This also indicates that sustainable food security has not been achieved in Indonesia. Food security is a crucial issue that must be faced by the other and every country, especially with the global population growth project, which will reach almost 9.8 billion in 2050. This will significantly increase food needs. To ensure food security in the future, several strategic steps need to be taken. The future of the country's food security is highly dependent on the combination of technological innovation, infrastructure, and development, also increasing people purchasing power, diversifying food sources, and supportive policies. With these steps, the country can be more prepared to face the upcoming challenges and ensure that all its citizens have access to sufficient and quality food.
So that's all the material, and thank you.